Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Click Choose, your ultimate destination for mobile reviews and comparisons. Today we're diving deep into the brand new Tecno Spark 20 Pro. This phone promises to pack a punch with its impressive specs and sleek design. So without further ado, let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the design. The Tecno Spark 20 Pro comes in 4 stunning colors: temporal orbits, lunar frost, radiant starstream, and magic skin 2.0 green. The phone's dimensions are 164.65 by 75.04 by 7.5555 millimeters, making it slim and comfortable to hold. Now let's move on to the display. The Spark 20 Pro features a 6.78-inch FHD AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, giving you vibrant colors and smooth scrolling. The resolution stands at 1080 by 2436, providing a crisp and clear visual experience. Under the hood, the Spark 20 Pro is powered by the MTK-G99 Ultimate processor running on Android 14. This combination ensures a smooth and responsive user experience, whether you're multitasking, gaming, or streaming videos. Moving on to the camera setup, the Tecno Spark 20 Pro is equipped with a 32MP front camera with dual flash, perfect for stunning selfies. On the back, we have a powerful 108MP main camera with 4 flash units, accompanied by a 2MP macro camera for those detailed close-up shots. For audio, this phone features stereo dual speakers, ensuring a rich and immersive sound experience. Whether you're watching movies or listening to music, the sound quality won't disappoint. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 2.4 and 5 GHz, Bluetooth 5.2, GNSS, FM radio, Type-C port, and NFC for all your wireless payment needs. It's a comprehensive package for all your connectivity requirements. In terms of sensors, the Spark 20 Pro is loaded with a G sensor, e-compass, gyroscope, ambient light sensor, proximity sensor, and a fingerprint sensor for enhanced security. Finally, let's talk about battery life. The phone houses a 5000 mAh battery with 33W fast charging support, ensuring you stay powered up throughout the day with minimal downtime. So there you have it, folks. The Tecno Spark 20 Pro is a feature-packed smartphone that offers a lot for its price. If you're looking for a stylish phone with a great display, powerful cameras, and excellent performance, this might just be the perfect choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Click Choose for more mobile reviews and comparisons. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Tecno Spark 20 Pro and which feature impressed you the most. Until next time, happy tech exploring.